morning everyone, welcome to my school morning routine. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Emma. I am a sophomore in college. I go to the University of Cincinnati and I'm studying communication and marketing. And this is my real school morning routine. I know I shouldn't have to say real, but like I actually am filming this on a school day. It's Tuesday, it's 8:40 a.m. I have class from 11 to 12:20. And then my 2 o'clock class actually just got canceled, but I think I'm just going to stick around campus and get some homework done. I have a couple papers to write this week, so I want to get the bulk of them done today. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to go get some breakfast. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming it. I feel like editing it is going to be even better. I just love YouTube and just Instagram and just like these platforms where we get the opportunity to create things for other people to see and to enjoy. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just like feeling really good today, and I feel like that's just because I woke up and I started creating. Might also be because my second class got canceled, but you know. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I'm just so appreciative of you guys and all of your feedback. It just like makes my day, honestly, so thank you. As always, be sure to subscribe down below, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!